making sheet pan tacos brought to you by Pampered Chef Kids Club. In preparation, I went ahead and preheated the oven on bake to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. First step is to put some olive oil into our pan. Next step, we're gonna add our ground beef. But remember, it's important to ask for help when turning on the hot stove. To break our meat into crumbles with our mix and chop and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until there's no more pink. While our meat is browning, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of oil to our sheet pan in preparation for our tortillas later. Now that our meat is done browning, we're going to reduce our heat to low and add our salsa and our seasoning. We added our half a cup of salsa and then our half a tablespoon of everything taco seasoning. We're going to let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that our meat is done simmering, we're going to prepare our tortillas for baking. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cheese to one side of the tortilla. If each tortilla has some cheese, we'll add our meat. Now we're going to fold them over and press firmly to keep them closed. Now they're ready to go in the oven, so we're gonna ask an adult for help. We're gonna let them cook for about 10 minutes. While our tacos are in the oven, we're gonna make our easy peasy guacamole. I asked for help from a parent to cut our avocado and our cilantro. Next, we're going to scoop our avocado into our bowl. In our small mixing bowl from Pampered Chef, we're going to use our clean mix and chop to mash the avocados. Now that our avocado is all mixed up, we're going to add a lime into the avocado. And then we're going to use our mix and chop again to stir in the lime juice. Our next step is to add our everything taco seasoning and our chopped cilantro that we had our parents help us chop earlier. And then stir it all together with a spoon. And now that it's all stirred together, that is the completion of our easy peasy guacamole. Now that we have finished making our tacos, we can enjoy them.